Hello everyone, my name is Snehal and I am a mindset and manifestation coach. If you need personal guidance to manifest your desires, please sign up for a call session or a coaching with me where I'll guide you personally to manifest your desires. You can follow me on my below Instagram handle somewhere where you'll be able to see it on the screen. So let's start with today's video. So in this video, we're going to talk more about what to do when your mind starts wandering with lot of negative thoughts and lot of negative assumptions and you start feeling that nothing is ever going to work out in your favor. So let me first start by telling you what are negative thoughts. Negative thoughts are not villains. They are not bad. They are just the thoughts of what you don't want. Something opposite of your desire. For example, you're manifesting your SP and while manifesting your SP, you start thinking what if your SP is not interested in you, or if you guys are in no contact, you start thinking and feeling as if your SP is going to date someone else. And all these thoughts are opposite thoughts. Any thought that makes you feel that you are not going to achieve your desire. That's what we call a negative thought. So let's label it as something that you don't want. You are thinking about something that you don't want. Those thoughts are not villains. Those thoughts are just something that you don't want, an opposite thought. And what you need to do is just not pay attention to those thoughts. Now, what exactly you need to do to stop this negative loop? What usually happens is whenever we think about something, whenever we want something in our life, we first start thinking of the consequences. Like, if it does not happen, let me have a plan B. Or, what if this happens? Let me keep my mind ready if something negative happens in the way. That's how the negative loop starts. Why? Because you're not telling yourself that a particular thing, you're going to get a commitment from your SP, or you're going to get married to your SP, or you're going to get a call from your SP. You're not thinking in that favor. You are constantly thinking, I'm not going to get this. I may not get the job promotion. I may not get my SP. I may not get the kind of money that I want, etc., etc. Those are the opposite thoughts. So in order to overcome these thoughts, what you need to do is first be aware. Pay attention to what you are thinking constantly about. Is it about what you want, or is it about what you don't want? As I said, negative thoughts are not villains. All you have to do is be aware about where your attention is going. And once you become aware about where it does, you can simply make a change in your thinking process. Let's talk about how to do that. If you want to come out of the negative loop or the negative thinking, then first make a decision that you want it and you're going to get. It all starts with your firm decision. And decision is not supposed to be made looking at the physical reality, because whatever situations you have right now in the physical reality will definitely change once you start making changes in your thought patterns. So what you need to do is just first make a decision. Tell yourself, I am going to get it no matter what. And stand firm, persist in that. And when you make a decision and stand firm by it, take help of techniques to go ahead and now saturate your mind. Next step is saturating your mind. What do I mean by saturation? Saturating your mind means you have to keep on repeating to yourself about what you want. So for example, if you're looking to manifest your SP, constantly say, my SP is madly in love with me. My SP loves me. My SP loves me. My SP loves me. My SP loves only me. My SP loves me. My SP loves me. So it's like correcting yourself. Your mind is shifting to a thinking pattern. Instead of saying that my SP does not love me or this is the situation, rather than thinking this, bring yourself back and say, no, my SP only loves me. Why? Because you made a conscious decision that your SP loves you. And that's what the major turning point is, because whatever you think is what you're going to experience, is what your SP is going to behave like. So we're going to talk more about this in the next video. Absolutely. I'll explain more about how does the SP change when you start changing your assumptions about them. However, until then, keep saturating your mind. Saturating your mind means simply having a strong belief or keeping on repeating about what you want so much that your mind does not get enough time to even think about any negative thoughts. And that's what I call saturating your mind. Repeat so much to yourself. Why? Because it's only your conviction that gives you whatever you want. Whatever you are convinced about in your life is what you manifest. So if you're convinced about you're going to fail, you're going to see a failure. If you're convinced about you never fail or you're never rejected and I always get what I want, that's what is going to happen in your life. It all depends on your conviction. So saturating your mind, in short, means convincing yourself. And you can repeat affirmations, you can repeat your visualization to change your thoughts and convince yourself that what you want is the only truth. Because your 3D is just a reflection. Your 3D is not a validation for something that you're going to receive. Your 3D is a reflection of what is going on inside of you. So you don't need to basically take any validation from the 3D. Just relax and keep on saturating your mind. Be consistent and persistent what you want. That's all for today. If you have any recommendations for new videos that you want me to shoot for you, please do let me know in the comments below and keep persisting. Happy manifesting!